Number 1, be consistent. Number 2, stay on top of your contacts. And number 3, do not be scared of no. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for your girl. Okay. As you can tell by the caption of this video, I just want to come on here and like drop a few gems. Basically how to get like brand deals or sponsorships. Being a micro influencer, I consider myself a micro influencer because I have under 10,000 followers on all platforms. Currently I'm on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Yeah, those those 3: YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. But yeah, I just want to share a couple of ideas of how I got brand deals, sponsorship, hair deals, things like that. But before I get to that, I want to show you guys some things that I did get in PR this week, and I'm super excited to share with you. I already opened this one, but I wanted to show you guys because I'm actually about to film a video for them to push on socials, Instagram and TikTok. But the brand is called Pistone, and basically what they are runway inspired nails. So they sent me 2 packs. So I have 2 packs. I'm gonna use this one. I want to show you guys this. Super cute, super dope. Look at that. It has rhinestones, and I've been seeing this color like on Instagram for the longest, but it's kind of hard to like try and find nail artists that actually can slay this. And then I got an actual like original pair, which I'm super excited because I wanted French tips. I was actually about to go, little rant, but I was gonna go get my nails done, but they said like $80, mind you, not crystal, not sure how it will look. I'm into the coffin stiletto type of nail, so these work out perfect. I have like little fingers. So yeah, I love that it comes 24 in this one, 24 in that one. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a video for them to push the socials with these because it's giving fall, it's giving cute, it's giving modern, it's giving aesthetic, it's giving the vibe. What if I told you guys you don't have to go to the nail salon anymore and get disappointed when it comes to your nails? Instead, try these press-on nails by Cytone. Literally 3 easy steps. All you have to do is buff your nails, apply the nail glue to the nails, and then boom, press on the nails. They last 7 to 15 days and they come pre-designed. Very high quality and help save you a lot of money. The next package that I got, I actually got it, I think it was delivered today, and if I'm not mistaken, it's from a brand called Hear Me Raw. They work with raw ingredients and things like that when it comes to facial and skincare. I'm not gonna show the front because I'll be showing the front, my address on it, don't got time for that. Yeah, so this is how the packaging look inside. They gave like little peanuts. It comes with the actual Hear Me Raw plant-based clean good fungi cleaner. I don't think I'm supposed to show you guys this yet. I think it's a date that I'm supposed to drop it, so I'm not gonna show it in the camera. All right, and then they slipped this cute little hydrating overnight treatment. I'm not gonna show you guys up close, but yeah, so this is the cleanser. It comes with the refillable pod and the overnight. So I will be using this. The reviews on this brand is so good, and I'm happy that it's natural, cruelty free. Since I'm not on my hormones anymore, my birth control, my face has been going crazy, so I've been looking for things to like help me you know, like clear up my face in no time. But I did go back to an OG product, and I'm gonna probably show that in another video. I've been like using the product probably for like 5 days, and my face has drastically cleared. Super happy. But yeah, like I said, OG products. Another product that I received in PR that I actually opened and have been using, but I did want to show you guys, are these Mari 24 karat gold collagen eye gels. Basically these have vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, real 24 karat gold, and anti-aging effect. I love these. I've been actually looking for something like to put under my eyes after I shower, because I have been seeing like since the change of the seasons really need hydration. Like my skin like needs a lot of hydration. You can see it's kind of flourishing a little bit, so I give kudos to my skincare routine or whatever. You can actually find these on my Amazon storefront. They come in a pack of 20 pairs. They have no parabens, no sulfates, gluten, no mineral oil, no phthalate. I don't know how to say that, y'all. No GMO and no fragrance. Look at these. The packaging is super cute, and like it said on the front, it does have 24 karat gold in them. I actually used it this morning, so under my eyes aren't puffy. Yeah, under my eyes aren't puffy. I have been like staying away from the camera for like the past 2 weeks because my face just was not cutting it. Before we get into basically how I go about like contacting brands and things like that, I do want to show you guys some of the videos that I did post, and I did receive their products through PR. Hey guys, so I just finished my morning skincare routine, and I'm actually going to be adding one more product to the rotation. These Mary 24 karat gold collagen eye gels. Now if you know me, you know I take my skincare to the maximum. Like I really care about my skin. So I'm going to undo the packaging, take it out. It usually comes in like a little tray. The right eye, I'm going to take the other one. It's been about 10-15 minutes, so let's take these off and see what it's giving. So immediately after taking it off, I feel hydration, that I'm gonna be rubbing the excess moisture in, and look, my eyes are not baggy, not puffy, so yeah. So yeah, those are some of the brands that sent me products this week. I know I did say I wanted to drop a little gems that work for me. So for the past, I would say like 4 months, I've been consistent with uploading, tagging, and basically staying true to myself. I consider myself more like of a lifestyle and beauty. Actually, I'm trying to get into fashion, so we'll see how that goes within the next couple months. But yeah, like I said, like I was going to get my nails done. Boom, a brand reached out to me, sent me nails. I was looking for something under my eyes, posted a skincare video, and someone reached out to me. Again, cleanser. I needed a cleanser. I told you my face was breaking out. Upload a video, a brand reached out to me, and I've been consistent with keeping contact with the brands that I have been working with. Love Me Hair sent me this wig probably like a year ago, and I'm just now using it. I had to actually shape it. But yeah, I've just seen consistency in videos. It's all about what you are titling, especially on YouTube, what you are titling your videos. So if you want to be a wig influencer, you say, hey, like how to apply a glueless wig, how to apply a glueless closure, just being specific like that, and brands would try to reach out to you. I've also seen success hitting them up on Instagram in the DM. I do have a template. I'm actually working on basically making an ebook. I'm pretty good, I feel like right now, enough for a wig influencer ebook, just because I receive them every month from 2 different brands that I honestly love and die for. Other brands that reach out to me is more like, let me see how your product is. Are you offering human hair? Is it reliable? Things like that. Is it well known? If it's really not, it just all depends on you. Stay true to yourself. That is my #1 thing. If I do not like something, as much as like free product is, they kind of sometimes want like something in return, a video or pictures and things like that. But if I'm not interested, or if it doesn't, you know, pertain to me, I choose to just like let it go. Free is okay, but just like if it doesn't match your vibe, then no. Yeah, so I also follow a couple of UGC creators. You can go on Instagram, you could go on TikTok, you could just type in UGC, and a lot of those creators, they give so many gems, like websites that you can apply for. I also had managers reach out to me. Mind you, I'm under 10K, so just because, you know, you have like certain amount of followers, it really doesn't matter as long as you're producing quality content and get quality content. So little story before I go. I've actually been following this brand probably for like a year. I saw them on another YouTuber's YouTube video and I was just like, oh my gosh, it matches my vibe, it matches my aesthetic. I would love to work with them one day. So I kind of like started tailoring my content around, you know, like what they do. I haven't tagged them, I haven't posted them. All I did was follow them. So probably like 2 months ago in like July, they reached out to me and they wanted to do a brand deal. Guys, my first brand deal. I won't tell y'all how much it is, but my first brand deal, and I was just like super excited because I was like, wow, like I manifested this. I saw this on one of the YouTubers who I really love to watch, and they were visiting their little like storefront, and I'm just like, consistency. So yeah, all I can say is just consistency. If you guys want to know more, drop down in the comments below and I will go into like extra detail about it. Hopefully by that time I will have my little ebook ready and equipped to go. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I got in PR this week, and then just drop a like couple gems. So number 1, be consistent. Number 2, stay on top of your contacts, and number 3, do not be scared of no. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.